Ever stared at your overflowing shopping cart full of overpriced tech? Wondering if there's a better way? Yeah, I've been there too. Frustrated, fed up, until Temu's unbelievable deals turned it all around for me. Welcome to Gear Geek Gadgets, your trusty sidekick for real talk tech that actually fits into everyday life. In today's video, we're spotlighting affordable lifesavers that make you go, "Why didn't I find this sooner?" These aren't just random finds. They're clever tools that save time, ease stress, and add a little joy to busy days, just like yours and mine. So let's unpack the why, the wow, and the wallet-friendly wins together. Hit that like button if you're in, and let's get into it. Number 10. The Mini Cordless Chainsaw. First up, let's talk yard work. You know how one simple branch can turn into an entire afternoon project? Not anymore. This pocket-sized chainsaw is your new secret weapon. Small enough to use with one hand, powerful enough to handle trimming jobs in minutes. With over 90,000 units sold, it comes with a 3,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, a splash guard, and a safety lock, keeping pruning simple, safe, and fast. Normally priced at $21, but right now, it's just $12. Perfect for courtyard cleanups, home garden work, or even as a gift for the fixer in your family. Just remember, for heavier jobs, grab a spare battery and keep that chain oiled for maximum performance. And once the yard's taken care of, let's head inside. Because if your home office is a mess of tangled cords, you're going to love this next one. Number 9. The 14-in-1 Power Strip Surge Protector. This isn't just a power strip, it's a full-on charging command center. Seriously, I've got one of these under my desk, and it's a game changer. You get 8 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, and 2 fast Type-C ports, all in one sleek, compact design. And with a 4.9-star rating from over 100,000 people, you know it's the real deal. Normally priced at $15, but right now, it's just $6. That's a massive 59% off. One quick note, it's a surge protector, not a backup battery, so it'll keep your devices safe, but not running during a power outage. Number 8. Turbo Jet Blower. From the desk to the driveway, you've just finished a perfect car wash, but then the water spots show up. Or maybe you're just tired of sweeping leaves off the porch. That's where this handheld beast comes in. The Turbo Jet Blower spins up to 220,000 RPM, blasting away dust, leaves, and debris. It can even dry your car in minutes. Cordless, powerful, and versatile. It's built for serious outdoor cleanup or quick jobs when you need them done fast. And the best part? At just $14.64, it's the kind of tool you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Number 7. The ROLOWAY Heavy-Duty Fireproof Safe. Think of it as a sleek black fortress. Built from durable steel and paired with a bonus fireproof cash bag, this safe keeps your money, documents, and valuables fully protected. You get keypad entry with a backup key lock, so even if the batteries run low, your essentials stay secure. Normally priced at $38.99, but right now it's just $21.04. That's 46% off, and you can secure it today for only $5.26 upfront. Compact, modern, and reliable, it blends into any space while giving you total peace of mind. Just remember, it runs on AA batteries, so always keep a spare set handy to keep your keypad powered. Number 6. The All-Terrain Heavy-Duty Folding Cart. Looking for a cart that can handle it all? From backyard chores to camping adventures, this beast is built for durability, strength, and pure convenience. It comes in 3 load capacities: 220 pounds, 450 pounds, and a massive 680 pounds. Made from stainless steel and iron, it's tough enough for daily use, while the all-terrain rubber wheels glide smoothly across grass, gravel, dirt, or pavement. And the best part, it's foldable. Collapse it down when you're done and store it easily in your trunk or garage. Number 5. The FNORANT Cordless Electric Lawn Mower. Lightweight, yet packed with serious cutting power. With over 53,000 sold, this cordless mower takes the hassle out of yard work. No cords, no gas, just clean performance. It comes with 2 rechargeable 1,200 milliamp hour lithium batteries and 3 interchangeable blade sizes. Perfect for lawns, weeds, and even garden edges. Normally priced at $42, but right now it's just $23. Built with an ergonomic handle, a lightweight frame, and durable metal construction, it's designed for comfort and longevity. A practical gift for dads, husbands, or any weekend gardener. Number 4. The CVC Solar Street Lights. These are high-efficiency solar floodlights built to shine all night long. Each unit packs 400 ultra-bright LED beads, delivering crisp 6500 Kelvin daylight brightness. Ideal for large yards, parking lots, or commercial spaces. Powered by a 4,500 milliamp-hour lithium solar battery, they recharge fully during the day and stay reliable from dusk to dawn. Completely waterproof and weather-resistant, they're ready for rain, wind, or snow. Plus, the included remote makes it easy to adjust brightness or set timers. No ladders required, and right now you can grab a pack for just $19, but only for a limited time. Number 3. The PANCERKA Handheld Steamer Iron. A compact powerhouse built for wrinkle-free clothes anywhere. With over 93,000 sold and a 4.7-star rating, this steamer smooths out wrinkles in seconds. It's portable, easy to use, and perfect for both home and travel. The modern upgrade to bulky old irons. Running on a 110-volt US plug, it heats up fast and is built with durable construction for long-lasting use. No batteries needed, just plug in and steam away. From office wear to travel outfits to quick daily touch-ups, this steamer has you covered. And the best part? It's less than $20. Number 2. The XIYHUIA 5-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber. Compact, powerful, and rechargeable, this all-in-one cleaning tool tackles the toughest messes with ease. It comes with 5 interchangeable brush heads, making it perfect for scrubbing bathrooms, bathtubs, tiles, floors, kitchens, and more. Powered by a built-in 500 milliamp-hour lithium battery with USB charging, it delivers consistent power without cords getting in your way. The rotating brush design wipes out soap scum, grease, and stains in seconds, saving you serious time and effort. And with its ergonomic grip, it's comfortable to use even during long cleaning sessions. And here's the kicker. All of this for just $10. Number 1. The TEGATOK 20-volt cordless drill set. The best-selling power tool that packs serious torque and pro-level features at a price that's hard to beat. Equipped with a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, an 18+3 clutch system, and a max torque of 45 Newton meters. This drill takes on wood, metal, plastic, even walls with ease. With 2 variable speed settings, you get total control. From precision drilling to high-speed power, it runs on a 2.0 amp-hour rechargeable lithium battery with a fast charger included, so you stay working longer without downtime. And with the built-in LED work light, tight corners and dark spaces are no problem. Normally priced at $16.91, but right now it's just $12.19. That wraps up our top 10 gadgets. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to Gear Geek Gadgets for more smart tech at unbeatable prices. See you in the next one.